Sawadee Ka, sauce enthusiast. I'm Chef Nikky here to tell you about how to make Nam Jim Jeaw, a Thai dry chili dipping sauce, or your new favorite salsa. Let's whip up this flavor-packed sauce and let's tie things up. Nam Jim Jeaw isn't just any sauce. It's a celebration of Thai flavors, the sour, spicy, salty, and a hint of sweet. It's the versatility in the depth of flavor that makes it a staple in my house. เป็นซอสประจำบ้านเลย Ready to elevate your dipping sauce game? Let's dive in. For Nam Jim Jeaw, you'll need fish sauce, lime juice, palm sugar, toasted rice powder or khao khua, Thai dry chili flakes, some shallots, and scallions. Simple ingredients for an extraordinary sauce. Start by mixing the fish sauce, lime juice, and palm sugar in a medium bowl or a jar with a tight-fitted lid. Stir or shake to dissolve the sugar. This base will carry all the beautiful flavors we're about to add. Next, stir in the khao khua or the toasted rice powder for that signature crunch. The toasted rice powder not only thickens this sauce, but also adds a beautiful nutty aroma that's so irresistible. And dried Thai chili flakes for heat. Adjust the chili to your heat preference. Remember, Nam Jim Jeaw is supposed to have a kick. อร่อยมาก Fold in the shallots and scallions, giving the sauce a vibrant look and refreshing taste. These fresh elements elevate the sauce, making it a lively addition to any meal. Nam Jim Jeaw should be served fresh. I grew up on Nam Jim Jeaw with grilled beef and sticky rice. Ooh, perfect timing. Ooh, let's try this. So good. Sour, spicy, salty, crunchy, nutty. The best. Yummy dance. Nam Jim Jeaw is a versatile sauce that encourages experimentation. I have a beautiful story in my cookbook about this sauce. Creating Nam Jim Jeaw at home, it's just the beginning to your culinary adventures into Thai cuisine. Cooking Thai food at home is so fun. For more recipes, check out my cookbook, Thai Food and Travel with Chef Nikky. Easy Thai recipes to feed your soul. Available on my website at chefnikky.com. And also on my website, you can get tips, tricks, and tales from my kitchen to yours. Don't forget to hit like, share the joy, and subscribe for more culinary adventures. This sauce is the gateway to exploring more vibrant flavors and dishes. Let's continue to connect and explore more Thai flavors together. ขอบคุณค่ะ